Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world. Welcome to Spanner Kitchen. So, here now this morning, I want to teach people how to toast a bread. You will come and thank me later. Add a little more pepper. Make sure you buy no Maggi. Balanced diet. See Maggi? You know this thing? If you cook the indomie, we use food for a year. Make sure you remain this Maggi inside. Man, now it's good for the diet. You put this here. Okay. Look, you guys know this is salt. That's right. Make sure you put enough salt for the indigestive agreement. Remember, small cannot like this when you pour it like this. Make sure you have this palm oil. You pour it like this. Make sure you go straight. You now cover it. Press up. Alright, don't forget I'll be sharing this update from now on. And please, go and follow my page, Spanner FD, in Facebook. You can still follow me on TikTok, Spanner FD. Please.